Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great today and welcome to my channel Learn with Sumaiya. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe it now by clicking the bell icon and also like my video and share it with your friends. So, one of the biggest question I usually get asked is that how to whip cream correctly. So today I'm going to share with you that how do I whip cream. It's a really easy method and there is an important technique which I'm going to share with you and I'm going to show you so you never over whip your cream again. So we are going to start out with a very cold cream. You can use 35% or heavy whipping cream, whichever you want, or whichever you use for the desserts or cake decorations. Now cold cream whips so much better than warm cream, so make sure it's very nice and cold from the refrigerator. And you can also put your mixing bowl in the refrigerator or freezer for 15 minutes before you start whipping your cream. And also in every country cream is different for whipping and it's for different uses. Some people use it for cooking purposes as well, right? So it's better to check what's available on your location and use 35% or heavy whipping cream, because I'm letting you know that how to whip cream is for the cake decorations or for the dessert purposes. To whip my cream I'm using an electric hand mixer, and you can also use a stand mixer or you can do it by hand, but more power to you because doing it by hand needs a lot more elbow creases, right? Now simply you need to start at a slower speed, then gradually make your machine to medium to high speed and let it whip. You will definitely be surprised by the results because I haven't used any icing sugar or no powdered sugar, nothing in the whipping cream. It's just my hand mixer and the whipping cream. That's it. So if you look at the cream now, it has been whipping for around 2 minutes, I would say, and it's starting to thicken. But we are not done yet now. We are going to keep going and going, and we are keep going and whipping our cream. See, there you have it. After just a few minutes, you have lovely whipped cream. Just use it for dessert layering or making beauty rosettes on the cake and enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked my video, so please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share your feedback in the comment box. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.